Hi, in front of me is Cubot X19S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this smartphone. First of all, access settings and scroll down. Then choose security and location, tap on screen lock and pick one of the login methods. Swipe pattern, pin or password. Click at the chosen one, tap yes or no over here and enter your login method. After that, tap on next and repeat it. Then click on confirm. And over here you need to select when your device is locked how do you want notifications to show. I will go with show all notifications content, so I have to click on this option and click done. So now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!